Hey, I'm John Tabler. Welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to make one of my favorite creations once I have sourdough bread already made. And I made it this morning and it came out great. So what I'm going to do, rather than tell you right up front, is just start making it. So I take a slice of sourdough and then I get an avocado, and I use a spoon once I've cut it in half and just lay the avocado on top. Or if you'd rather, you can do it the other way around in a second. It doesn't much matter. You can make a sandwich, either one, but what I have is smoked salmon. Smoked salmon is so good. It's cooked and peppered. This I got from Whole Foods, but you can get it from Trader Joe's. You can get it from the regular grocery store. And so then I just lay the salmon right on top of it. Then let's put it in this. I'll actually put it, well, I can put it on a plate, but what I use is olive oil on it and a little salt. And in the description below my video, all the products and all the things that I use that make everything so easy for me, the knives, just so many things, the grinder, the wheat. I put links to all of them down there. They're the ones that I use. They're easy for me. It makes everything just great. And once I've found what I like, I just stick with it. But you can get whatever you want, use whatever you want. But a lot of the things that I use are down there. But you saw that I poured olive oil over the top and then salt it. And I put the olive oil, I put it in the bowl because I'll actually let the olive oil get on the bottom of it. I don't even care. Once it's done, that is so good. And if you want, I mean, I eat it just like that. But what you can do is make a good old sandwich. Try this, because sourdough bread, once you have it, you really want to incorporate it into your diet because of the nutrition that you get from it. You know, a lot of people have cut bread completely out of their diets. Some have even gone on a carnivore diet, which is very advantageous because of the protein that you get from it. Well, the salmon has the same protein, so it's a way to add protein to your diet. You know, when people get hurt or they're in the hospital, they have a broken bone or burns and things like that, protein is one of the things that they drastically increase so that their body can heal. And so if you're working out, training and things like this, a high protein diet really, even if you're not working out, really keeps you healthy. And so there's something to be said for that. And there's something to be said against eating bread in the traditional form that people know it, what's in the stores, because it's full of poisons, toxins, and things that aren't good. The grain is not fermented, but once you have fermented wheat, the nutrition value in it, the things that you're getting from that wheat kernel are trace minerals, trace elements, vitamins and things that are in there that just aren't in anything else, but they're locked up and not able to be assimilated by the body until the grain is fermented, and that's just completely been removed from society. So having this in your diet is so important, and you know, people don't know that because they don't know about fermentation. Well, once you have it, who knew that a hamburger could be one of the most healthy things in the world? And so, well, salmon, avocado, and olive oil. You're not going to believe how good that is. You can cut it in half, obviously. You know these things. It's a sandwich, but the combination of, let me tell you something. I'll get to that, but let me tell you something. When you dip this bread into olive oil and salt, it's absolutely just incredible. You really have to try that. Every person that I've helped to make the bread for the first time, and then I told them to put a little olive oil into a bowl just like this, salt it, and then take the bread and dip in it, because this bread is 100% wheat, fermented wheat, and I didn't salt it at all. So when you dip that in there and you eat it like that, you're going to be completely blown away, surprised by how good it is. But then when you add avocado and salmon on top of it, well, you're never going to have had it before like that. And so give it a shot. I'm going to try it from the end that's cut perfectly, and it tastes perfectly. If that can be said like that, tastes perfectly. Tastes perfect. Give this a shot. I was already making it for myself, and I said, I'm going to turn on the video and let you guys see this, because it's just one more thing that's so great to use sourdough bread to make and to incorporate into your diet. Hit like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully not with a full mouth.